कुळ्या रेल्वे ट्रॅकावयल्यान निसरलेली कोळशेची बोगी मेकळी केल्या. त्या उपरांत रेल्वे सेवा आता परत सुरू जाल्या. काल सांजे वास्को सावन दक्षिण पश्चिम रेल्वे मार्गार कोळसो व्हरपी ट्रेन रुळावयल्यान निसरलेली. देखून ह्या रेल्वे मार्गावेली येरादारी बरोच तेंप आडावन उरली.
आयतारा सांजे 6:50 वरांचेर ही घडणूक घडली. ट्रेनीच्या फाटले वटेनची कोळशांची बोगी निसरून ट्रॅकावयल्यान पडिल्ल्यान ह्या मार्गावयली येरादारी बंद जाली. देखून वास्को कुळ्या पॅसेंजर ट्रेन कांय वेळा खातीर बंद दवरली. जाल्यार वास्को यशवंतपूर एक्सप्रेस ट्रेनीच्या वेळापत्रकात बदल जालो. रेल्वे अधिकाऱ्यांनी वेळ वगडायनासतना ट्रॅक मेकळो करपाचें काम हातांत घेतले. सोमारा सकाळी 9:30 वरांचेर निसरून पडिल्ली बोगी मोकळी केली. कुळ्या आतां लायन नंबर 2 आनी 3 मेकळ्यो जाल्यात. रेल्वे सेवा परत चालू जाल्या.
Yesterday evening at about 6:50 p.m., one goods train that was passing through the Kulem yard suffered a minor derailment. 5 wagons got derailed. However, our officers, senior officers including the Divisional Railway Manager of Hubli Division, Shri Arvind Malkhede, and the Chief Bridge Engineer and Chief Project Director, Bridge Works from Southwestern Railway Headquarters Office quickly rushed to the site along with accident relief train and undertook restoration measures. By 10:15 p.m. on the same night itself, the main line at Kulem Yard had been restored for through traffic of the passenger trains. As a result of these minor incidents, the Vasco Kulem passenger was short terminated at Kale station, and the Vasco Yeshwantpur Express train, that is train number 17310, was rescheduled by 60 minutes from the starting point. Sufficient intimation and notice was given to the passengers through all available means of communication, including social media, electronic media, as well as announcements at the railway stations. By 10:15 p.m. last night, the train services have been operational, causing minimal inconvenience to the passengers.
गोवा 365 खातीर मडगांवच्यान संदीप तुयेकार.